You buy the big car or whatever, the nice chair. Oh yes, oh, quite. Hello everyone, it's me, Game Jacker from HackerBot.net, and today I'm gonna give you the idiot's guide to game jacking. And no, that does not mean that you, sir, are an idiot. It just means that most of you probably are. And if you're not an idiot, you need to let me know by liking the video and subscribing. Very important. If you don't do it, I'm gonna assume you're an idiot, okay? So let's get started. Why do people jack the games? What is a game jack? So, game hacks are basically just cheating in video games. That's what it is. You don't need a dark hood, and you don't need code. It's just cheating in a video game, and there are many variants for that. And why do people do it? Well, people have always done it. People will always do it. You have done it. You think, oh no, that is far beyond me. No, I would never. I'm a good person. I would never. Have you ever, maybe when you were playing hide and seek, oh, I can't see anything, I can't see anything. Oh, no, you have never. Oh, maybe you didn't play a lot of games as a kid then. Oh, well, most people have cheated in games. Maybe someone has shown you their cards on accident and you didn't look away right away. Oh, you're a cheater. You're an evil cheater. You are. Yes, you are. And most people are, if we're being honest. We've all cheated at some point. Even at life, which is arguably worse. Have you ever lied? Oh, no. Oh, I've never lied in my whole life. Maybe you've lied by omission. That's also lying. Maybe a girl asked you, oh, what do you do in your free time then? And you were like, oh, I meet with friends. I'm cool. I go to the gym. What you didn't say is that actually the friends that you're meeting, they're all in an online game and you're playing 8 hours a day and you're going to the gym once every 2 months. So that's lying by omission. You're a cheater, dirty cheater, okay? We all are, if we're being honest. As you guys might have noticed, I'm a Christian. We believe every person is basically bad at their core. So, and reality seems to support that notion because everybody cheats, everybody wants to cheat, and in life, it's sadly, all things being equal, cheaters will always win, okay? In sports, you're just as good as the other guy, you take steroids, they don't, you win. That's how it is. Cheaters generally win, all things being equal, so people cheat because people care more about winning than they care about the rules. That is just how life is. Even the richest people on earth, probably they did some shady stuff to get there. Because all things being equal, if you do shady stuff, you win. You get more money. That's how it is. You buy the big car or whatever. Or the nice chair. Oh yes, oh, quite. Anyways, so let's talk about game hacking in particular. How does it work? By the way, it's legal. If you want to know more, head over to HackerBot.net. Just Google HackerBot. Go to the Learn Cheating section. You'll find the legal side of that. I can't get over that in this video in depth. Basically, in 99% of cases, it's legal. You'll find it on HackerBot.net. Just Google HackerBot or game hacks. What are the main cheating methods we can talk about when it comes to game hacking? So, there are, first of all, the normal game hacks. The code that you click the exe or you start the mod and it basically does everything for you. Those are just general game hacks. If you want to find out more about that, also in our Learn Cheating section. These cheats can be on PC, they're DLL injection, or on Android and iOS, they are modded APKs and modded apps that you install that come with cheats enabled, such as aimbots, wall hacks, God modes, whatever, damage hacks, all kinds, ESPs where you can see through walls, very powerful of course, would be useful in real life, I don't know why, but it would be. Anyways, so, yeah, that's basically how the normal, the stereotypical hack works, the one that does the code stuff, you know. Then other methods of game jacking, let's have a look at those. Another very overlooked and popular way of game hacking is exploiting. So exploits, they are basically cheats that are done by using bugs in a game. So it's not like the bug, the creepy thing on the floor, it's a game has a coding mistake Therefore, that can be exploited to gain advantages. And the weird thing is, most people that frown upon game jacking, they will use exploits in their favorite games if it allows them to not have to spend thousands of dollars. So, weird, because it's just as much cheating. I guess because you don't have to use software to do it, it's not a hack? I don't know. I don't get it. It's cheating as well. So, for example, loot caves, infinitely respawning mobs, bugged prices at vendors, item duplication glitches that can be performed using lag, giving you unlimited items, all that kind of stuff. Next category of game jacks is the use of tools and software. And of course, you can find the popular tools and software if you go to HackerBot. Just Google HackerBot or game hacks. Go to hackerbot.net. The popular ones will be on the front page. These are some game hacking tools there are. The most popular ones that you probably have heard of already, they're pretty mainstream. Cheat Engine. Everybody that plays PC games knows about Cheat Engine. Let's be honest, it's the #1 game jacking tool on PC by far. Then, of course, HackerBot, APK. For those of you who have Android, please download. It is the #1 game jacking tool on Android. Then Game Guardian, the #1 memory editor on Android. And then Game Jam is basically the cheat engine for iOS at the moment. And there are various other tools that are used in this respect as well. If you want to find more software, you can go to hackerbot.net, go to our software section, and there you'll find the top tools for Android, iOS, and PC for your viewing and browsing and carousing and whatnot. Okay, let's move on. What else cheating methods are there? So there are also a very overlooked one as well. If you go to Learn Cheating, you will find bots. Bots are, in my opinion, and that's why it's part of our name, HackerBot, right? Jackerbot. Anyways, it's basically the most overlooked and, in my opinion, one of the most effective cheats if used correctly and in the right game. So these days, especially in the mobile games these days, if you check out the most popular games on hackerbot.net, you will notice that, if you just go to hackerbot.net, you will notice that a lot of those are mobile games, and that quite a bunch of them are grindy games, gotcha games, such as, for example, Azure Lane, or what is this? Seven Sins, Grand Cross. Then you have Clash of Clans, Clash of Kings. All these games where a lot of farming is needed, and you need to do missions over and over and over again. Click the same stuff, the mission, battle, auto battle, 4 times speed, and then go back and do it again. And a bot can do that automatically for you 365.25 days every single year forever, basically, allowing you to farm unlimited resources and gems and gold by simply using a bot. If you want to learn more about the Botterinos, what you're going to want to do is go to hackerbot.net, game hacks in the Googles, go to hackerbot.net, go to our tutorials section, where you will find a bot tutorial how to create and make bots for all platforms using macro editors and similar software. Very useful. You can use it along with emulators on mobile. Extremely, extremely powerful. In my opinion, the most overlooked cheat. It's not as easy as, for example, downloading a mod or downloading a hack on PC, but extremely powerful if set up correctly, and extremely hard to get banned using it as well. So highly recommended. Another thing very important about the game jacking, if you're new, if you're one of the newbies, or how I call them, the idiots. Oh yes, the plebeians of the game jacking industry. Yes. And you're new to this thing, and you just want to look for some hacks. Oh, maybe I just Google it. Oh, let's just Google Coin Master hack. Oh, Google will know what's good. Oh, no, they don't. Oh, no, they don't. Some weird PDF file. Unlimited coins and spins. That's impossible. If you want to find out more about that, it's basically because In online games, all your currencies and your monies and your gems and your crystals and your sapphires and your shiny things, credits, coins, gold, silver, whatever, it's all stored on the online servers of the game that cannot be hacked for any practical purpose, in any practical sense, because if you did it, it would be highly illegal. You would go to jail, and if you had the skills to do so, you would probably just be able to swipe your credit card and get all the gems you want without any big pain in your checkbook. Okay, so for all practical purposes, servers cannot be game jacked. And most online games these days use servers to protect the main currencies, which is why the stuff that you find on the Googles for the major games that require the internet in order to play, such as Coin Master, for example, or hundreds of others, all the most popular apps on the Play Store, it's just simply impossible. So what Google's going to give you is impossible stuff, scams, and then we are in there somewhere as well, which, yeah, great. Just one page that's not a scam and a weird PDF, and great, that's good. Great job, Google. Anyways, that's why you want to use HackerBot in order to find legitimate cheats from legitimate providers that have been providing clean software and working apps for a long time. The way you're going to want to do that is go to hackerbot.net by simply googling HackerBot. Oh, I misspelled the name. Oh, but Google knows. Google always knows when I misspell. Wood. Anyways, let's go to hackerbot.net. What you're going to want to do is go to our download cheats section, and there you will find a in-depth guide on how to use our Hack Finder tool in order to find legitimate cheats that will not scam you, will not give you malware, will not get you banned. What you're gonna want to do is go to our Hack Finder, enter the name of your game, whatever. If you want to go for Call of Duty Black Ops 2 Bot, for example, you can go. Oh, I got the English keyboard again. The US keyboard. Let's just switch our Y's and Z's again. This is how it should be spelled on a Swiss keyboard, the only real keyboard, of course, that there is. Anyways, oh, my Swiss privilege. Anyways, you will find legitimate cheats and hacks and aimbots and bots and all the good stuff, the good kush, you know. Good kush, yes. Good game jackerino kush that you can take intravenously right here. Anyways, I don't know why you would take it intravenously, but you know. So you will find legitimate cheats that way. That's, for example, for a PC game. If you're on Android, for example, or on iOS, what you're going to want to do is, for example, PUBG Mobile. If you're looking for PUBG Mobile cheats, you're going to want to enter PUBG Mobile and then the version of the game as it is currently, for example, 17.0. The way you figure out the version, for example, on Android, you can just simply go to the app info and you will see the current version of the app. There is also a guide underneath the tool that will show you how to look up the current version on Android, iOS, and PC if it is needed. If you download an outdated version of a Jackerino, it might not work and you might get actually automatically banned. So please, guys, make sure you get an updated version for the current version of the game. Very important. Also, always recommended that you use an emulator wherever possible in order to test your stuff, and also an alternative account. So if it's a free-to-play game, such as, let's say, PUBG or whatever, please make a second account first. Test your cheat on the second account. If the account gets banned, no harm done. No harm done. Your main account is safe. Please never test stuff on your main account unless you paid for the thing, in which case your chances of getting banned are extremely low, unless you're very toxic. So please use the game Jackerinos with respect for other players and for the developers of the game. Please spend money on the game if you like it. Support the developers. Don't be toxic. You know, just don't turn on your aimbot willy-nilly. Maybe turn it on if the other team is unbalanced, if the other team is dominating yours, in order to help out evening the odds. Please be social, just like in real life. Cheating is frowned upon, it is human nature, but that doesn't mean we need to be freaks about it, right? So please be social, be nice, have a little bit of empathy for other people. Toxic game jackerinos will get banned from any game, and that is actually a good thing because they should be. Anyways, guys, that is my guide on game jacking for the beginners, for the idiots, as I call them. And again, I need to re-emphasize, if you are not an idiot, please like the video, subscribe to the channel, else I will sadly have to assume that you are, in fact, an idiot. Anyways, I'm sorry, guys. You're not idiots. I know. I love all you guys, okay? Okay? Anyways, guys, that is it from me. Head over to hackerbot.net. Google HackerBot. Download our app if you are so inclined. Best Android app. Best Android game jacking app. The most jacked. The most juiced. The best. Anyways, guys, this is it from me. Game Jacker out.